Oh, couple things I missed last week. Actually, it's been about a week and a half since I made the documentary on the 23rd. I guess even in 1919 or around World War I era, they had electric welders, as you can see in the shops. Electric welder, F. Weaver, and looks like the guy down below that, a car builder, might have been one of my family members. How long, I'm not sure. We also have an apprentice school in here, as you can see here. I'll let you look at that real quick if you can. As you can see, these were... Sorry. It says in our normal working conditions, apprentice schools are conducted in each of the following locations: Montclair, Maryland; Glenwood, Cumberland, Maryland; Connellsville, Pennsylvania; Kaiser and Grafton, West Virginia; Benwood, West Virginia; New York, Ohio; Chillicothe, Ohio; Garrett, and Washington, Indiana. And then you have, of course, if I can get my mouse to work, another reference from 1922, electric welders. A guy named Mr. Frank Weaver, the one fella just mentioned, was employed in the local shops as an electric welder and took similar position at the Pensy shops in Fort Wayne. I also found some stuff about the master boilermaker, William Oberl, who even stayed on after the shops closed in 1926, so they must have kept him on as an inspector or worked in the roundhouse, which I will show you on video in a short while.